Good evening everyone. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Right. So in our previous class we discussed about that rational numbers and their conditions, right? Rational numbers, square root and their properties, cube root and their properties. Let us go to the problems based on them. Yeah. Now see here, the rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Exactly between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. For example, A and B are any two rational numbers or any two whole numbers. The rational number between A and B is nothing but A plus B by 2. The rational number between A and B is nothing but A plus B by 2. Okay, what is the A value here? Let us compare. A value is 2 by 3, B value is 3 by 4. So the rational number between them A plus B whole by 2. Okay na? So let us cross multiply. 4 2s 8 plus 3 3 is 9. 8 plus 9 by 4 3 is 12. And also the denominator is 2. 12 into 2. So 8 plus 9 is nothing but 17. 17 by 2 12s are 24. So this is the rational number which is exactly lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So for that we use the formula A plus B by 2. Okay now? Yeah. So let us check next problem. We need to identify the P by Q form of 54.26. 54.26. Let us check. So while you are observing, this is a decimal number. Decimal number we can express in rational form by using the denominator 10, 100, 1000 like that. Let us check. A point after how many decimals are there? There are two decimal numbers. So while you are writing this 54.26 without the decimal, it is 5426. I am just removing the decimal point. In the place of decimal value, I can write denominator 2 zeros because there are two decimal places. You can cancel it by using the 2 table. Yeah, 2 27s are 54, 2 1s, 2 3s divided by 50. 2 table 50 times. Any other cancellation? It will come in 5 table and 2 table, but it is not coming in 2 table as well as 5 table. This is our required answer. So P by Q form of 54.26 is 2713 by 50. Okay na? So first conversion of decimal number into fractional number, then I did that simplification form. Okay, simplest form, whatever. Yeah, coming to the third question, the value of 5.2 bar, that is nothing but this is a rational number which is non-terminating repeating decimal form. Okay, we discussed about that rational number, either terminating decimals or else non-terminating repeating decimals. So this is non-terminating repeating decimal form. So for this we can identify that without the decimal it is 52. Am I right? That means that 2 is repeating. We are having a general process like x is equal to 5.222 equation 1, periodicity, period, like that, right? So but here not needed. So without the decimal it is 52 and minus what is the number which is not including the vinculum, that is nothing but bar, this one. That means the bar is only applicable for 2, not for 5. So subtract this 5. So divided by point after how many decimals? 2 decimals. Sorry, 1 decimal. That means 10 power 1. How many are repeating here? Only 1 is repeating. Okay na? So 52 minus 5 is nothing but 47 by 10 minus 1 is 9. 47 by 9 is our required answer. Okay na? So I am just taking that 52 as a whole number. I am not considering 2 is repeating, and that except the repeating period, repeating decimal number, remaining value is 5. I subtracted 52 minus 5, I will get the 47. So only one number is repeated, so I got the denominator 9. Okay na? That's it, that is the answer. Let us check here. Sum of multiplicative inverse and additive inverse. Multiplicative inverse, that is nothing but the fractional number just changing their positions, like numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So 8 by 3, multiplicative inverse, additive inverse of 8 by 3. We need to find their sum. Multiplicative inverse of 8 by 3 is nothing but 3 by 8. Additive inverse means symbols will be changes. 8 by 3 additive inverse is minus 8 by 3. Okay, na? 8 by 3 additive inverse is minus 8 by 3, and we need to identify their sum. That means 3 by 8 multiplicative inverse plus additive inverse is minus 8 by 3. Okay, check. Let us simplify this. Now plus into minus, minus. So if you write like this, 3 by 8 minus 8 by 3, apply the cross multiplication or nothing but LCM. 3 3 is 9, 8 8s are 64, by 8 3 is 24. 9 minus 64 is not possible, but 64 minus 9 is possible, that is 55. So 55 by 24, there is no cancellation. The answer is 55 by 24. Okay, no? Yeah. Let us go to the next question. Now see here, square root of 625 is b. How you find the square root? The given number, we are going to take the prime factors, right? 2 into 2 into like 625, I am finding the factors. 5 table 125 times. Again 5 table is coming. 5 2s 10, 5 5s. Again 5 table, 5 5s 25 and 5 1s are 5. So 625 we can express as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So that means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is equals to b. So whenever you have the square root, from the pair of same digits, a pair of same numbers, only one number will come without the root, into from this pair also one number, that equals to b. So b value is nothing but 5 into 5, 25. Now we need to find root b value. B value we already got, that is 5 into 5. 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. Again, from this pair of numbers, only one number will come. Therefore, square root of b is 5. Okay, now? Right. Now, same like previous problem, let us check this one also. 3.123 without the bar and without the decimal point, we can write 3123 minus, I have to take only the numbers which are not involving the bar. That means 3 and 1, 31. By point after how many decimals? 3 decimals, 10 cube, and minus how many decimals are repeating? 2 decimals, that means 10 square. Okay, so subtract this. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 not possible. 12 minus 3, 9. 0 and 3. 3092 by 10 cube is nothing but 1000. 10 square means 100. 1000 minus 100, 900, right? Yeah, just cancel it. 2 table I am going to cancel. 2 15s, 2 4s, 2 6s are, and 2 table 2 5s, 450, right? Yeah, again 2 table will come. Yeah, 1 second. So we can take here 990, 10 power 1. This decimal we should check. So this is 10 power 1. Okay. So 10 power 1 means 990. Yeah, after cancellation in 2 table we will get 400 and 95. That is the answer. Okay, na? Check. So why 10 power 1? The decimal which is not involving here, that is. Okay, na? Your previous one I have taken 1 directly. Why? Because there is no decimal, that is 10 power 0. 10 power 0 value 1. That's why I have taken like this. Okay, na? Check. Clear? Now decimal form of this number. Decimal form, that means we need to divide regular division only, 117 with 169 1 times 117. Here 2 will be, here 5 will be the remainder, and the 52 is there. Now 52, take point, keep 0, exactly 4 times, I think so. 4 times 400, 440, 468. Now check. 2 will be there. Yeah, again 52 is coming. That means 1.4 bar, 1.4444 will come like that. Therefore 169 by 117 will be 1.4 bar. Okay. That means again if you take after point, if you take again 0, again 4 times 468, again 52 will be remainder, again 4 will come like that. Okay, children? Yes. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, 0.54 plus 4.7 bar is. How to find this value? 0.54. Yeah, 54 by 99. Am I right? 54 by 99 directly. So simply nothing but without the decimal we have 54 divided by how many decimals? 10 square. And which is not repeating, which is not having the decimal bar, vinculum, nothing. That means 10 power 0. 100 minus 1 is 99. Same way this one, 47 minus 7. Without the decimal it is 47, and among it is repeating as 7. 47 minus 7 is 4. 47 minus 4 is 43 by 9. So that is nothing but 54 by 9. 47 minus 4 is 43. So while you are observing this, LCM of 99 and 9 is 99 is the LCM. 99 table here 1 time, 1 into 54 is 54. Plus 43 by 9, 9 table in 99 here 11 times, 11 into 43. Yeah, how many times? 473. That equals to 712, yeah, 527 by 99. Okay, na? So 11 table is cancelled. No, that's it. That is the answer. No cancellation. Again, P by Q form. Afterwards, we need to find P plus Q into P minus Q value. Let us do this without the decimal. 1036 minus 10 divided by, this is 10 square minus 10 power 0. Okay. So 1036 minus 10, 1026. 10 square 100 minus 1, 99. So I think 9 table is cancelled directly. 9 table 11 times. Here 9 table 9 ones. Again 9 ones are 9 fours. So 114 by 11. 114 by 11. 11 is a prime number. So 11 table 114 won't come. So P value is 114. Q value is 11. So this is P and this is Q. So P plus Q value. What is P plus Q? Add both of them. 114 plus 11, 125. P minus Q value. P minus Q value 114 minus 11. So it is 103. Both you should multiply. So P plus Q into P minus Q. That equals to 103 into 125. If you multiply, you will get the required answer. Got it now? Yeah. Let us go to the next problem. Check. So square root of this number. Now I am converting this number into the fractional form. Decimal number into the fractional form. That is 10816 divided by how many decimal digits are there? 2 digits. So denominator 100. Okay. Identify the square root. By estimation method we have the square root. That means we have to divide it into pairs. Two digits as a pair. Now 1 is remaining. Nearest square number to the 1 is 1 itself. Okay na? Nearest square number is 1 itself. That is nothing but or 108. Directly 108 nearest square number. 10 tens 100. 11 11s 121. 121 is more than 108. So we can take 10 tens are 100. Remaining 6. So what are the numbers are ending with 6? 4 square is end with 16. That means end with 6. 6 square is also end with 6. So we are having the chance of 104 or 106. Let us check. I am checking 104. 104 into 104. Yeah, 4 plus 4, 8. 108, 4, 4 are 16. Yes, exactly coming. So it is the 108 square. So we can write this one as 104 by 100 also a square number. 10 tens are 100. 104 by 10 whole square and root. Square root cancel. This is 104 by 10. Nothing but 10.4. Our required answer is 10.4. Check. Same way this one also. So like before that you learn the formula like root A into root B. Root A into root B equals to root over A into B, right? We have discussed some properties of a square root. Root A into root B can be root A into B. Same way this one also I am writing like 2.88 into 1.28. Root A into root B becomes root over A into B. Now convert them into fractional form. 288 by 100, 128 by 100. Because 288 is not a square number, it is not a perfect square. Same way 128 also not a perfect square. So we need to identify this. Okay. So denominator both are hundreds. So without root we will get 100. And we need to find square root of 288 and 128. 288 into 128. So by using the prime factorization method, I am going to find out about the square root of these two numbers. Okay, now I am doing here. So let me erase this. Yeah, okay. So I am doing here 288. So 2 table 144, 72, 2 table, yeah, again in 72 is 36 times, 2 table 18, 9 times 3 threes and 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 times 2 is presenting, 2 times 3 is presenting. Okay, we'll leave it. Next. 128. Again 2 table 64, 2 table 32, 2 table 16, 2 table 8, 2 table 4, 2 table 2, 2 table 1. All 2's only came. 2's how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay now? Now, according to our discussion, whenever you have the pair of same digits or pair of same numbers in the square root, one number will come without the root. So from these two, 1, 2 will come without root. Again these two, 1, 2 will come without root. These two, 1, 2 will come without root. And this one and this one. These two, 1, 2 will come without root. These two, 1, these two, 1. and from these 3, 1 3 will come by 100. Now multiply all of them. So 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 64, 64 into 3. 64 into 3. 192. So this is 192 by 100, nothing but 1.92. Our required answer is 1.92. Check. Because 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 is 64 with 2, 192 by 100. We have already taken 100 is square root of 10,000 is 100. Okay, now? So let us go to the next one. Okay. Yeah, A value, B value, C value are given in the P by Q form as well as decimal form. We need to identify the A plus B plus C value in the form of P by Q. Now just I am adding that decimal form 2.71875. So this is A value. Now B value I am writing that is 0.625. So 0 point slightly 0.625. 625. Here 2 decimal places are extra from the first place comparative with the second number. So in the place we can fill with the zeros. Okay. Now C is 0.75. 0.75. So remaining 3 places are filled with the zeros. Now add all of them. Then A plus B plus C value will come. This is 5. Here 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 14, 20. Yeah, 4 point. So this is the value of A plus B plus C. Okay, na? Now P by Q form. That means without the decimal, I can write 409375 by 75 by how many digits, decimal numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. 5 decimals, 5 zeros. I can cancel 5 table here. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5. Again 5 8s are 40. 5 7s 35. 5 5s 25. 5 table 2 times here 20,000. Again 5 table we can cancel. 5 1s are 5, 30, 5 6s are 5 3s are 15, 30, 5 7s 35, 25. Again here 5 4s 20, 4,000. Again 5 table will come. 5 3s 15, 5 2s 10, 5 7s 35, 5 5s 25. 8 times 800. Again 5 table. 5 6s are 5 5s, 5 5s. Yeah, 5 1s, 5 6, 160. Again 5 table will come. 5 13s are 65, 1. Here 5 table. 5 3s 15, 32. So 131 by 32 is our required answer. Okay, na? Because there is no, we cannot simplify more than that. Yeah. I just added, after this I converted into P by Q form, then there is a cancellation, I have converted into simplest form, that's it. Check. Yeah, A power B value is 512 it seems, A power B value 512, A is greater than B, A value only the bigger one, and B value is lies between 1 and 4, we need to find B into root over B root A. Okay, na? Let us find A value by using exponential form. A power B is nothing but 512. While you are doing the prime factorization 2 into 2 into 2 like that, 512 is nothing but 8 cube. 512 is nothing but 8 cube. Then B value is 3. Compare here. B value 3, A value 8. Okay, na? So 3 is lies between 1 and 4, right? 3 is lies between 1 and 4. So it is correct. B value is 3, A value 8. Now we need to find with root A. That means cube root 8. Cube root means Whenever you have the number, same numbers, 3 times in the cube root, one number will come. So 8 I can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. So from these group of 3 numbers, only one number will come without cube root. So therefore the entire answer is 2.